Hello and welcome to AC 465 Advanced Forensic Accounting, Unit 8, Evidence Gathering and the Use of Information Technology. After you complete all of the learning activities in this unit, you should be able to analyze the methods of collecting and managing digital evidence, examine how computer software programs are used to test IT controls and detect fraud. Additionally, illustrate types and sources of evidence and analyze the reliability and admissibility of evidence. Welcome to AC 465 Advanced Forensic Accounting and Unit 8, where we will be discussing evidence gathering and the use of information technology. An important investigative technique for forensic accountants and fraud examiner involves the use of computer-assisted investigation tools. So the use of computer software can greatly enhance the forensic accountant and fraud examination efforts. Software is currently available for investigating fraud, such as data mining software, currently the use of IDEA and Alteryx, and also for organizing digital evidence. Additionally, in this unit, you will learn about the 3 general types of evidence and where to find evidence to prove fraud. So in this unit, you are going to read Chapter 9, Evidence-Based Fraud Examination. And in this chapter, you will examine how fraud investigations are conducted, starting with evidence collection. You're also going to look at the different types of evidence, as well as sources where fraud investigators can obtain evidence. Then you move on to Chapter 11, Using Information Technology for Fraud Examination and Financial Forensics. So advances in computer software have really enhanced efficiencies, not only for our investigative efforts, but also for the organization of your evidence in a fraud examination or a forensic accounting engagement. Software programs can be used to test internal controls, to detect errors or anomalies, and also to organize evidence. Computer forensics also involves analyzing data that's stored on a computer, as well as trying to recover deleted files. After you complete the Unit 8 readings, you will move on to the discussion, and you can access the discussion board here. And then we also have our Unit 8 assignment, which we're going to cover evidence collection, and you're going to be assigned an embezzlement case. And we will discuss this further in our seminar. And here you have the options. I look forward to all of you attending our seminar at our regular date and time. But as always, you have the alternative assignment as well. And then we have our practice kit quiz, which includes the 10 true and false questions for you to answer, and they're only worth 1 point each. And as with typical units, we have our 15 multiple choice questions that are each worth 2 points for your chapter or Unit 8 quiz. So basically, once you've conducted all of these learning activities and assignments and assessments, then hopefully you would have learned about the 3 types of evidence and evaluated those types of evidence that you need in order to prove fraud, as well as the sources for those evidence. And additionally, you hopefully would have learned a little bit more about computer software and how that can aid in investigations and in organizing case files. So then we look ahead to Unit 9, where we're going to look at the interview process, and we're going to look at a very important step in the fraud investigations. And we're going to look about how we obtain interviews and how we use those interviews as part of our evidence. And that is Unit 8.